In this quick lesson, we're going to focus on spontaneous sketching, capturing the essence of the world around us quickly and effectively in our sketchbooks. So grab your sketchbook and let's start with our main goal, learning the fundamentals of quick sketching. Whether you're in a cafe or walking through the park, these skills will help you document those fleeting moments you want to capture into your sketchbook effortlessly. First, let's explore the technique of using loose lines. Start your sketches with light, quick strokes to outline the largest and most basic shapes of your subject. This can include negative shapes as well. The key here is speed and fluidity. Let your hand move freely and don't worry about making every line perfect. This approach allows you to capture the overall form of your subject without getting bogged down in details. Next, simplify your subjects into the medium shapes you observe. This method isn't just about drawing, it's about seeing the world in a more manageable, less intimidating way. This technique makes it faster and easier to sketch spontaneously as you reduce complex objects into basic components. Now let's focus on incorporating minimal details. When time is tight, suggest details rather than fully outlining them. A few strategic lines can imply the texture, structure, and values even, bringing your sketches to life without extensive effort. Capturing the essence of your subject quickly is crucial. This means identifying and sketching the most defining features of your subject as soon as you see them. As you practice, you'll develop a knack for spotting these key characteristics quickly. To practice these techniques, try some time sketching exercises. Set a timer for 1 minute and try to capture whatever it is in front of you using only loose lines, simple shapes, and minimal details. Aim for the essence of the subject, not perfection. After the timer ends, take a moment to review your work. See what you've managed to capture in just 1 minute. It's all about the process, training your eye and hand to work together swiftly. Keep practicing these exercises daily. The more you sketch, the quicker and more intuitive your drawing will become. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.